In this video, I want to show you how to open multiband layer or multiband image in ERDAS Imagine. A multiband image is a digital image consisting of multiple layers, each capturing data from a specific range of electromagnetic spectrum beyond just visible light. So in remote sensing, these images are essential for identifying ground features like stressed vegetation or mineral deposits that are invisible to the human eyes but have unique spectral signature. So I'll show you how to open a spectral image in ERDAS Imagine. So let's get started. So in ERDAS Imagine, to open a multiband image, come to File, then click on Open, and here you can see multi-layer arrangement. Click on it, then it will prompt you to navigate to your working folder. So let me click on Recent, click here and click on OK. So it will take me to where I have the image. I have this TM image, which is a multiband image. I'll click to select it and click on OK. And here we go. So here is the multiband image. We have several bands combined together into a single image, and here it opened the multiband image in one view and then open individual bands in other view. Now to better appreciate it, just right click any one of these image and then click on Fit Layer to Windows. When you do that, you can see that it has fit them to window. Now, one important thing about it is that it helps us to see different features at different in different bands. So what that means is that, for example, here is the viewer showing all the bands together as multispectral image, and then here is band 1, here is band 2, band 3, here is band 4, band 5, band 6, and band 7. About 7 bands in one image. So we can see that this technique helps us to visualize different bands at the same time and also to view all the bands individually. So all the bands combined together gave us this, and then individual bands, you can see them, and if you look at each of them, you will see different level of details, and this is because these features were captured at different electromagnetic spectrum. So as a result of that, the features that are visible or conspicuous in each band are vary significantly. But in essence, this is how to open multiband layer or multiband image in ERDAS Imagine. If you have any questions or comments, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.